Hi, today I'm for the new Realme Pad Mini and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So let's first open the settings app and tap to network and internet. Here you'll see Wi-Fi switcher, tap on it to activate Wi-Fi, and after that you'll see here all of the available networks. Just tap on one from these networks and you'll see here the password section. Just enter the password, tap to done, and we can see that our device successfully connected to this network. By the same way, you could use another network. Just enter the password, tap to connect. After that, you'll see all of your saved networks with the passwords in the saved networks list. So just to turn off Wi-Fi, you should also use the same switcher. Also, we got one more way how we could do that. Just open the control panel, find here Wi-Fi icon, and to activate or turn off the Wi-Fi, we should use the switcher, and to launch Wi-Fi settings, hold for a while this icon, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs ups and subscribe our channel.